and gentlemen, it's Pete from Pete's Place, and today we are going to unbox a $60 2 terabyte external hard drive. Sounds crazy, right? Let's dig into it. Okay, so this was bought off eBay, and I believe I bought the Western Digital one, and so this is a refurbished one, but still refurbished. All the reviews were good on it. So I want to see for myself if this thing's actually decent, and then for two, if it's actually 2 terabytes. So let's give it a shot. Let's open this up. Okay. Ooh, nice. I'm going to pop those later. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Okay. And then we have another box. And you can see warranty void if seals tampered. There's all this stuff. I'm not sure if there's anything important on that. So, let's void a warranty. Open. Okay. Here we go. Ooh. Oh. Okay. So you can see Western Digital. That comes in a nice case, so they do take care in resealing these. And then you can see that we've got our charging cable. But the most important part, the hard drive. Open. Okay. So as you can see, Western Digital. All right. And I'm trying to see if there's anything that's important on this that you guys need to see. Try to focus in here. Okay, so yeah, that's all the stuff with that. I'm pretty sure this is just a normal hard drive. It's not a SSD that I know of at all. So let's take a look at these cables. Okay, so here's the cable thing, and then we've got one of these little funky extra micro USB thingies. I don't know. Somebody leave in the comments what this thing's called. I know that they had some of these on the Galaxy Note devices. And I also have another hard drive that has that. So this one right here. Same type of plug-in. I'm unaware of what the heck that's called. So plug this in here, and let's head it over to the computer and see what the big deal is about and make sure that it is what I bought. Okay, so let's get the hard drive. Oh. Okay, it's still in one piece, I think. Oh, nice. Let's see if it pops back in. Ah, all right. We're gonna make it through the rest of this video, I promise. Okay, let's plug it in. Okay, so this is a normal hard drive. I can feel it vibrating. So it does have a disc in it. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. Okay, so they named it Elements. And let's look up the properties. Okay, so right now it's got 162 megabytes of use space and has 1.81 terabytes of free space. So, yeah, wow, I'm actually surprised. I had to just format this just because I want to.
Few moments later. One eternity later.
Right, that's all formatted. So I guess what I'll do is I'll put some stuff over onto it and just see what it does. So I'm going to drop this file here on there. Okay, that was pretty quick.
That's what she said.
And then I do have an image file, I think this is about a gigabyte or so. Yeah, 1.01 gigabytes. So let's see how fast that transfers over. Okay, so probably not as fast as most, I guess, but not terribly bad at all, just for a typical user. Overall, the quality and the price of this is just something you can't pass up. So here's the listings on the eBay and Western Digital website. Also has some of the specifications. I will leave the links to both of these down in the description. And just want to say thank you to everybody that's been liking, has subscribed. If you haven't been liking these videos and you do enjoy this content, I really ask that you like the videos just to show YouTube that I'm making good quality content, that you're enjoying it. It's really not hard to do. Just smash that like button for me and you instantly support my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you on the next video.